Hi, this is Ian. In this video I want to talk to you about something that you could do very quickly that would improve your website's ranking within Google and also improve the experience that your users have when they come to your website, so they enjoy using it more, find it easier to use, and therefore spend more time on your website. Google's job is all about getting the best possible results for people's searches, and the reason it is the most popular search engine is that it does a good job of delivering up the best possible results for people. And in order to do that, what Google does is constantly adjusts its algorithm that runs behind the scene to work out which pages to show people when they do a search. And last month they did a change to add a new thing that they're looking for in that search algorithm, and that new thing that they're looking for now is how long does it take for your website to load up, because they know that people don't like sitting in front of a screen waiting for a website to load for ages and ages and ages. So if your website loads slowly, Google will now start to penalize your website and push it down the search rankings. Now, initially they just turned this on for the google.com domain, but I know as night follows day they will be turning that on, if they haven't already, for the google.co.uk and the other Google domains very soon now. So, therefore, what's really important is that you do things to improve the speed that it takes for your website to load. And what I want to show you here is a way that you can do that really fast if you're using WordPress. Now, if you have not got a website that's built on WordPress, then I strongly encourage you to look at that. There's heaps of good reasons to use WordPress as a platform to build a website on, not least of which is the fact that users love WordPress websites and Google loves it too. So if you do have a WordPress website, then what I'm going to show you is a way to make your site load lots faster, and it'll only take about 2 minutes worth of work. So let's show you now. And first of all, what I've got in front of you now is a website, tools.pingdom.com, and that website shows how long websites take to load up. And for our main domain, I've deactivated the plugin that we're going to use that's going to speed up this website. So what I'm going to be able to show you now is how long it takes to load up the page before and after this plugin is active. So let's have a look first of all at how long it takes to load up without this plugin, without this tool activated. Okay, so the Pingdom site goes off and starts loading up the page, and it seems to be taking a little while. Here it goes with loading up all of the components on the page, and you can see here each of the components, and it's taken about 2.85 seconds to load up the whole page. Now let's go to the website, and what you would do in your WordPress website is you go to plugins, add new, and then type in the name of the new plugin that I want you to put in, which is called W3 Total Cache. And pressing this, it will go off and find the plugin, and there it is, W3 Total Cache, and you'll click the button to install it. And I've already got it installed but deactivated, so for you, as you won't have it installed, up the top here it will say it will have a button for you to install it. So click on that button and it will very simply go through the steps to install it for you. There's not much you need to do. You might need to put a password in, as it goes through that process. So install it and then come back to your list of plugins here and scroll down to find W3 Total Cache, which we will now activate. And then, having activated it, you need to make sure that the settings are correct. If we click on the settings for it, most of these are enabled correctly by default, but just check them through. Page caching is enabled, disk enhanced, that's good. Minify enabled to disk, that's good. Database caching, now this one is not enabled by default, so make sure you put that tick in the box there. Caching to disk, content delivery, won't need to worry about that, and everything else is okay. So if you need to make that changes to database caching, then click on the Save Changes, and then we'll go back and see how long it takes to run the site, how long it takes to load up the site once it's got this Total Cache plugin active. So let's click on the Test Now button again and see what result we get. Okay, so there we go. 2.4 seconds, so down from, what was it, just over 2.8 to 2.4. So that, this site is not a slow site anyway, but as you can see, that's made a noticeable difference to how long it will load up. Now, so therefore, for your site, I strongly recommend you install the W3 Total Cache plugin. As you can see, it's very quick and easy to do. For all of the sites that are hosted with us, we've already activated that plugin. That's all operating. But look, go off and do it for your own site, and I hope that helps. Look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye for now.